this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one came out of a Zen Pop box. You can go to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code TheRamenRaider for a discount. This is Nissin Chicken Ramen Domburi Boom Showa Gratin. So basically, it's creamy chicken. And that's that. So it has one sachet, goes in at the end. You drop this in. This is Nissin Chicken Ramen. Nissin Chicken Ramen is basically where it all began for me. Absolutely. And it's where it all began for old Nissin and the instant noodle, period. It was the first instant noodle on the market. And, yeah, back in 1958. So I'm just schwizzling it. I'll let you watch me swizzle. Would you like that? Been having a great day. Hope you are as well. It's Wednesday. And my son and daughter are at school, and my wife is, well, she's puttering around here somewhere, folks. And the second game of the division series is going on. San Francisco Giants aren't in it, but we've got our kind of fantasy baseball thing going on, I guess. You can win a prize, folks. You can win a freaking prize. But, yeah, we'll see how that goes. I don't think I'm winning anything. I don't know all the stats and stuff. All I know is how many games which team won by the end of the season. But when October starts, baseball kind of gets rebooted. So, yeah. So this is an interesting noodle. As you can see the broth? It has color to it. That's because the original instant noodle had the seasoning in the noodle. And these little spin-off ones that they make, they're kind of hit and miss. They had a milky one. I think it was just called chicken noodle milk, pepper milk or something like that. So it was like kind of milky, and it had a little bit of a black pepper kind of lean towards it, and it was good. But I've had other ones that are just like, that's really not a necessary way to go. But this should be good, I'm hopeful. Yeah, it'll either be good or it won't, and I will tell you my thoughts on the situation shortly. Yeah, having a good day. Went to, my wife and I went on our walk. It was weird yesterday because she was off doing adventure, and today she was back, so we got to go on our enjoyable walk together. And then we went to the grocery store. You know what's crazy is at our grocery store it's almost $5 for a can of soup. No, that's not Joe Biden's fault. It's really not. It's called price gouging. People paid that much during the pandemic. We'll make them pay more after it. I really think that's the deal. I think this idea that there's a lot of inflation right now is just a big grab by large corporate companies. There's like some little old man who just said, raise the prices across the board. 20%. Are they still buying it? Yeah. 40%. Oh, they're not buying as much. Perfect. Well, leave it right there and give them a sale once in a while. Well, I enjoy the Progresso soup. And it's buy 2 cans, get 3 free. So that's a sweet deal. So we bought 20 cans. So we'll see how that goes. This looks really weird. This looks kind of like, I don't know. Maybe gratin is cheese. I could be wrong about my original supposition about this variety. I think it is. Yeah, au gratin. With a cheese sauce. Well, we'll give this a try. I'm going to try something a little different with the garnish today, so that should be interesting. Mm-hmm. Wow, that's salty. And that's my chief complaint about these when they mess with the original. It just adds so much more sodium or saltiness. And I don't know that I care for that. But it's not, it's interesting. I am compelled, I want to try more. What I really want to do is I think I need to get a new armature here. Or at least try to mess with this one a little bit more. That might be the way to go. There's that. I'm going to do something else. The thing that I'm going to do that's different from what I usually do is I'm going to use canned chicken in this one. I'm draining canned chicken, ladies and gentlemen. It's what I'm doing. I thought it would work well with this, perhaps. We'll see. So we'll add some tinned chicken. Chicken in a tin. Maybe a little more to make it more believable. There's that. We're gonna add some spring onion, which I'm about ready to have to get more of. That was quick. That's what happens when you do 3 reviews a day. It really is. 3 reviews a day. I'm using a different music list today, just to change it up. I know the last time I used it, I really disliked it. So I thought, let's see if it drives me nuts today. And kinda. I think when I did this one, I thought, hey, I should do one that has more like vocal elements. And that seemed to be like a real big mistake. I got 1 egg left before I have to do the great eggeration. That I'll do tomorrow morning, I'm guessing. And it's 12:51. Okay. It's a day of early release for children. Once they get home, they will enjoy a small snack, and then we're going to go and take them to their school where they're having the most exciting event, I swear, in like, in a little while. They're having a book fair, ladies and gentlemen, a scholastic book fair. Remember that crap? You know what I remember is when I was a kid at school, you got Weekly Reader. You remember that? I don't know if that, maybe you guys are too young for that. Maybe that's over. I don't like this one.
thanks for watching. The next one you're gonna see is this. This is Yumai with their spicy braised instant vermicelli with pickled cowpea. And yeah, it's big and it takes 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm gonna have to do something other than, I don't know, we'll see what happens. So yeah, this has been Oz the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.